नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे चैनल निखिल कुमार के स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर डिफ्रैक्शन ग्रेटिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट में। हम अपने आज की इस वीडियो में मरकरी स्पेक्ट्रम की वेवलेंथ डिटरमाइन करेंगे बाय यूजिंग प्लेन डिफ्रैक्शन ग्रेटिंग। हम अपने आज की इस वीडियो में इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के एम, एपरेटस रिक्वायर्ड, फार्मूला यूज्ड, डायाग्राम, ऑब्जर्वेशन, कैलकुलेशन एंड रिजल्ट, इन सब टॉपिक पर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं आप सबको यह वीडियो पसंद आएगी। धन्यवाद।
Hello students, this is our experiment name spectrometer diffraction grating M to determine the wavelengths of mercury spectrum by using plane transmission grating। उसके बाद apparatus required spectrometer diffraction grating element mercury vapor lamp। After then we wrote here formula used. Number of lines drawn on the grating per meter is given by capital N equal to sin theta upon small n lambda lines per meter. Wavelength of prominent lines of the mercury spectrum is given by lambda equal to sin theta upon small n capital N meter, where small n is the order of the spectrum, lambda is the wavelength of the light, theta is the angle of diffraction in degree. Here we plot diagram. This is the first diagram. In this diagram we denote different parts: collimator, grating, telescope, transmitted ray, reflected ray. This is our second diagram. In this diagram we denote light source, collimator, directed ray, diffracted ray.
This is our observation.
Here we have two observation table. This is our first observation table. To find the number of lines per meter of the grating capital N, here small n equal to 1, lambda equal to 546.1 nanometer. This wavelength is given for green light. By using formula we calculated the number of lines per meter of grating, which comes 602712.5 lines per meter. After then, this is our second observation table for determination of wavelength of the mercury spectrum for different lights. Here we used formula. After then, this is our calculation. To find the number of lines per meter on the grating, where small n equal to 1, capital N equal to sin theta upon small n lambda lines per meter. In this formula we put values and calculated number of lines per meter on the grating, which comes 602712.5 lines per meter. After then, to calculate the wavelength of given prominent lines of mercury spectrum for violet first color, we used formula and calculate wavelength. Wavelength comes 407.5 nanometer. For violet second, wavelength comes 435.5 nanometer. For blue light, wavelength comes 491.5 nanometer. For yellow light, wavelength comes 579.7 nanometer. After then, this is our results. For the given mercury vapor lamp with wavelength of green light equal to 546.1 nanometer, the number of lines on grating equal to 602712 lines per meter. The wavelength as follow: for yellow color 579.7 nanometer, for blue color 491.5 nanometer, for violet second color 435.5 nanometer, for violet first color 407.5 nanometer. Now it's completed. दोस्तों, आप सबको यह वीडियो कैसी लगी आप हमें कमेंट्स करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। धन्यवाद। जय श्री कृष्ण।